Hello, good morning, namaskar. Today we are going to see a sitting asana, that is Janu Shirasasana. Sit in a comfortable position, that is Sukhasana. Sitting in Sukhasana, you are going to stretch your right leg out, keeping your right leg straight and keeping the other heel, pushing it to your perineum and sit on that. So right leg is stretched out, you are keeping left leg, giving a push to your perineum and the knee folded. We are going to do Janu Shirasasana, that is head to knee pose. Sitting in this posture, keeping your hands to the front, you will do inhalation and exhalation. Inhale. And exhale. Yeah, we are going to do Janu Shirasasana. Inhale, take your hands up, reach up. And exhale, bring it down, settle down. Now turn your body to the right. Inhaling, your hands close and reach up. And exhaling, you are going to go down. Wherever you are, pull your toes in. And try to go down more and more in this pose. Be there in normal breathing, inhaling and exhaling. You are trying to touch your knee with your head, going down. Just drop your head to your knee. In normal breathing, holding the pose in Janu Shirasasana. Inhaling and exhale. Inhale, slowly come up. Take your hands and reach up. Exhale, bring your hands to your side. That was Janu Shirasasana, one of the asana which works very good for kidney health. Now we are going to do a forward bend to the leg which we fold and kept. We are going to do a forward bend. Inhale, you are going to reach up. And as you exhale, come down slowly to drop your head down. Keep the other leg beautifully stretched. And your calf muscles are touching down. Inhaling and exhaling Janu Shirasasana. Inhale, slowly coming up. And exhale, hands comes to the side. Once again, one more pose originates from here. Inhaling up. Exhaling, you are going to twist your body to the left side and dropping your palms down, you are going to place your head down. Just go and keep your head down. Pull the leg in. Hold. In normal breathing. Inhale, slowly come up and exhale, come back to the position. So we did Janu Shirasasana and a forward bend and a side twisting posture. Let's perform one more time. Janu Shirasasana we are going to do. So slowly tilt your body to the right side. Inhale, you are going up, reaching up. Exhale to touch your toes and pull it in. Do it to your comfort level as you go down to put your head in. To touch the knee, head to knee pose. Slowly bending down and touching your knee. And holding the pose in normal breathing. Inhaling and relaxing. Inhaling and relaxing. Slowly coming up, inhaling and exhale, bring the hands to the side. Now from here, inhale, go up and exhale. Just surrender your body to the Mother Earth. Going down, your chest rests on your knee, and you are just going down to feel the calm of your this pose. You feel very good to do this pose. It's a forward bend. Inhaling, coming up, and as you exhale, twist the body to the left side, drop the elbow, palms down. Just go, pull the leg in to touch down with your head, make a twist and stretch, be there in normal breathing. Inhaling slowly, coming up, and exhale, come back. We have to repeat the posture to the other house of our body. We are going to work our left, stretch your left leg beautifully. This time you are going to push your heel to your perineum with your right heel. Sit straight. Take a long inhalation and slowly exhale, settle down here. Keep your toes in to stretch more. Inhale, you are going to go up. Exhale, come down. Now tilt your body to the left side. Inhale, you take your hands up. And exhale, slowly go down to pull the toes in. And wherever you are, make it to your comfort level. I'm going to touch my knee with my head going down with every inhalation. Head to knee pose. Holding the pose in normal breathing. Inhaling slowly, coming up, and exhale, hand comes to the side. Now you have to do a forward bend. Inhale up and exhale to drop the body to the right leg where you are folding your leg and keeping it. I'm feeling so good to do this posture, forward bending posture. Inhaling and exhaling. Again you are touching your knee with your head to knee pose. Inhale, slowly come up and exhale. Bring the hands to the side. Now inhale, you reach up from your hip and exhale to twist the body to the right side as you drop your head to the right side. Pull the leg in and hold the posture. Twist and stretch, hold it. In normal breathing. Inhale, slowly come up and exhale, hands comes to the side. Slowly come back. Sitting in Sukhasana. We did Janu Shirasasana to the right and left side. We are sitting in Sukhasana, taking good rest. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling and exhaling. We are going to do Janu Shirasasana once again, different way of doing it. You are going to bring your right leg to the front, holding your knee, keep it here. Then with both hands, catch hold of your sole of your feet. Get ready, keep your chin to the knee. Ready? Touch your chin to the knee. Getting ready for the practice. Now you are going to raise your right leg, going up. and pulling it in as you keep your head to your knee. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bringing the leg down. To keep the leg down, you are going to do inhale up, exhale going down to do Janu Shirasasana. Normal breathing. Inhale up and exhale, hands comes to the side. Now we are going to do the same pose with our left leg. Bring the left leg, fold your knee and keep your sole down. Holding it with both your hands, bring your hands, interlock your fingers, hold your sole, just keep your chin to the knee. Inhaling and exhaling, getting ready for the practice. Inhale, you are going to raise your left leg as you stretch it straight. Take it up and take your head inside to touch your knee. Hold the pose. Inhale and exhale, be there. Normal breathing. Slowly bringing the leg down to drop down. Inhaling and exhaling. Raise your hands up once again. Go down to touch your toes and keep your head to knee. Today we are seeing how to do Janu Shirasasana. Inhaling, coming up. Exhaling, slowly hands comes down. Bring the leg inside. Sitting in Sukhasana. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. Slowly. Now keep your hands back on your mat. Interlock your fingers. Inhaling here. Exhale, touch the opposite knee. Lift the other hand up to hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale, going down to touch the opposite knee. Lifting the other hand up to open the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming back, inhaling. Exhale. Again, go down to touch the opposite knee. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Come back and exhale to drop the elbow to the knee. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Slowly relax the hands. Now sitting in Sukhasana, we are sitting in a cross-legged posture. You are going to inhale and exhale. Take rest. Slowly open your eyes. See you all in my next episode. Take care. Sending you divine energies. Namaskar.